If your Beehiiv image upload is failing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. Most upload errors in Beehiiv come down to a few common issues like file size, image format, or even the file name itself. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your image uploaded properly without wasting time guessing. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's fix it. First, check the image file size. Beehiiv works best with images that are under 5 megabytes, so if your file is larger than that, there's a good chance it may not upload correctly. To check this, right-click the file on your computer and look at the file properties, or open it in your image manager and review the size. If it's above 5 MB, the easiest fix is to compress or resize the image before trying again. You can use any trusted image compressor or editor to make the file smaller while keeping the quality looking good. Next, verify the image format. Beehiiv supports common file types, but using the right format can make a big difference. If you're uploading a photo, use JPG or JPEG. If it's a graphic, logo, screenshot, or design element, PNG is usually the best choice. And if you're working with an animation, GIF is the format you want. If your file is in another format, converting it to one of these supported types can often solve the upload issue immediately. Now let's look at the file name, because this is a problem a lot of people overlook. Beehiiv can sometimes reject files with special characters, emojis, symbols, or extra spaces in the name. To avoid that, rename the file using something simple and clean. For example, instead of a name with random symbols or long text, use something like newsletter image, JPG, or hero banner, TAHIAG. Keep it short, clear, and easy to read. This small step can prevent upload errors that seem confusing at first. Once you've checked the size, confirmed the format, and renamed the file, refresh Beehiiv and try uploading the image again. Sometimes the platform just needs a quick refresh to recognize the updated file properly. After refreshing, go back to your upload area and select the image one more time. In many cases, that is enough to fix the issue right away. If it still doesn't work, repeat the process carefully and make sure each step is done correctly. A file that is too large, in the wrong format, or saved with an unusual file name can all cause the same upload failure. But once those things are corrected, Beehiiv should accept the image without any trouble. So to recap, keep the image under 5 MB, use the correct file format, rename it with a simple file name, and then refresh Beehiiv before trying again. Those are the main steps to fix most Beehiiv image upload errors quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Beehiiv tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.